Plague Doctors. Doctors had a risky job during the Black Plague. They spent a lot of time near ill and dying people, giving them medicine and trying to make them better. At that time, people believed that bad smells caused the plague. Black Plague Doctors wore beak-shaped masks to protect them from the bad smells coming from the infected people. The masks were filled with strong-smelling herbs and spices, such as rose petals, lavender or mint. There were 2 eye holes covered with glass, and 2 smaller holes that allowed the doctor to breathe. Plague doctors carried a wooden stick which they used to examine their patients. They wore gloves, boots, and wide-brimmed hat and a long leather coat. Doctors didn't want any part of their body to touch an infected person. We now know that these clothes stopped them from being bitten by fleas and becoming infected themselves. An added bonus.